Hello and good evening everyone. How are you all? Welcome to the all district MCQ solved for all the chapters in the PU2 Midterm Mathematics. Okay, so how are you all doing? Good evening, good evening. Let me know if my voice is clear. Let me know if audio is clear. All right. Yes, I can see we are already few of us were waiting here. I can see that. Sorry, I'm late by some 4-5 minutes. Okay, there's a big rain, like very heavy rain going on where I am right now in Bangalore, so that's why some disturbance is there, but we'll see. Everything is okay. Let me know. First of all, good evening to everyone who is there in the live. Okay, hi Ravi, NPN Gamer, Alan had and KCET class. Okay, Anvay is already there. Hi everyone. Okay, so I hope your exams are either tomorrow or day after, right? When are your examinations, guys? When are your exams? Especially mathematics. Hi Nishant. Hi, I am SRU. Okay, Sru. Kannada. Okay, tomorrow is Kannada. Alright, I got it. So when is your maths paper? Yes. So when is your maths paper? Day after. Yes, that's what I thought. I think 17th most of the students have maths examination. So we'll do more and more things. We have a lot of things planned for tomorrow. You'll see, it'll be helpful. Okay, be with us. We have planned too many things tomorrow. Day after, yes, I get it. 17th is the math examination. So I hope my audio is clear, right? Yeah. So 1 second, guys. One second. Okay, so I think now we are ready for the session, right? We can all start with the session. Okay, so 18th, somebody saying 18th also, very good, good for us. Then we have more time to prepare. All right, so I think we can start now. All district MCQs, so there are some different students with different syllabuses. Don't worry, I've covered all the chapters, so stay with me. And we'll do more things tomorrow as well, for because for some of you who has Kannada, you might have to study for that. But tomorrow after Kannada examination, I'll be back, and again you can join in the evening with me, and we'll cover everything. I'll explain you the formulas, MCQs and everything. Even I'm working on a theoretical paper, means subjective answers. That will also come tomorrow. Okay, so let's start now. I think let's start now. Let's begin. So what next? First thing, as I said, I have taken all the chapters starting from, of course, chapter number 1 to 6 is already there. Chapter number 1 to 6. When I say 1 to 6, I mean your relation and function ITF. I think those two I have removed because that two I did in the last session. Then we have AOD, CND, matrix determinant, that is there. So 1 and 2 I have removed. 1 is not there and 2 is not there. 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Then I've added integration this time. I've added vectors 3D. I've added LPP as well. Okay. So this is clear what we're doing today. We have added LPP and integrals today, alongside with the vectors and 3D, of course, in this MCQ session. Again, this will be only on the MCQs. We don't have subjective questions in this particular session, but believe me, this will be very, very helpful if you watch it through. Basic idea is, if I'm here, I'm going to prepare you for all these chapters for the MCQ part. Means if the questions comes in MCQ category, you don't have to do anything else. Just this is enough. Okay. So basically, this question is going to be very, very important and directly can be asked in the examination, either on 17th or 18th. Let's begin then. Let's begin. So first thing first, LPP. Simple questions from LPP. Let's solve the first few. What are there? I hope this is clear, right? Everyone, let me know how is this. Question wise, 1 to 7, all clear. Can we solve it? Start giving me the answers. Question number 1. General class of problems which seek to be maximized or minimized is called as what? Is called as optimization problem. Optimization means we either are asked to maximize it or we are either asked to minimize it. So basically they are called as the problems of optimization. Okay, next up, z equals to ax plus by, where a and b are the constant, is a linear objective function. Variables x and y are called decision variables. See, they are called as decision variables. Excuse me. Option A is correct for this. So will you make a video of important questions for scoring 70 plus, like how it was done for physics, chemistry and bio. Yes, I think I have done as well. Okay, I have done as well, but I'm going to give you last revision. I'm going to give you a sample paper discussion, so I'll give you that. But I have done a question where I'm going to give you a list of problems. You can use that to get best out of that. Okay, so yes dear, whatever videos are planned for physics, chemistry, same will come for maths as well. Okay, chaliye, let's continue. So next question number 3. Are you guys getting this? Why are you not answering? I want all of you to give me the answers. Okay, so tell me question number 3, question number 4, 5, 6 answers. What are the answers for these particular questions? Here we go. So 3, every point of feasible reason is called as, every point of the feasible reason is called as what? Question number 3 are called as feasible solution, right? Every point is going to be in the feasible reason as feasible solution. 3C is correct. Feasible reason is the set of points which satisfy, feasible reason is the set of points which satisfy what? Tell me. The constraints. Where are the constraints? All of the constraints. Means every point in the feasible reason, whether it is optimal solution or not, but every point will satisfy what? Your all the constraints. That's why it's called as feasible reason. Yes. Yes, Shruti. Yes, Ravi. Your answers are correct. Objective function of a linear programming problem is function to be optimized. Correct. Objective function is going to be the function to be optimized. The first two are the same thing, right? Function to be optimized. Please check. 5th one, B. Set of values of decision variables which satisfy the linear constraints and non-negativity conditions of LPP are called as, set of values of decision variables which satisfy the conditions are called as feasible reason. Set of values, feasible solutions, right? Set of values of decision variables which satisfies the linear constraints and non-negative conditions are called as feasible solution. The optimal value of the objective function is attained at the optimal value. The difference, okay? Not feasible value, optimal value will be attained at only corner points. Okay, only the corner points. So I think I have the answers from all of you. 3C, 4C, 3C, 4C, 5B, 6C and 7C. 7 also is C. Yes. Alright. 7 also is C. Next up. So LPP is over. Start with integrals now. Now I want to tell you one thing about integral as a chapter. MCQs, yes, they can come, but this chapter is about subjective answers. So I have taken some questions which are very much direct, but most of the problems coming in this will be of higher marks. Okay, so MCQs are there, but expect them to be asked in subjective type questions. Okay, so I have taken some problems over here. I want all of you to participate. Let me know the answers for these 6 questions on the screen. 6 questions on the screen. Yes, integral chapter is difficult. I understand that. Yes, it is difficult. So we don't have integrals. I understand, but some of them do. Okay, I have seen some syllabuses of the students. South district I've checked. I don't think there are any student with this chapter as syllabus, but some of them has integrals in it. Some of them has vectors also. So I've taken those into account as well. Okay, so antiderivative of 1 upon x into x times root of x minus 1. We all know that it is a standard formula of integral of sec inverse. Okay, if you integrate this, you'll get the answer as sec inverse, right? If there's a minus sign, you get minus. If there's a minus sign, we get cosec inverse. The option C. So I think somebody gave me the answer already. 7. Okay, that was 7. Okay, guys, come on. I want the answers for this chapter as well. Come on. 13 is option D. This is a direct formula. Sec inverse derivative is 1 upon x times of x square minus 1. Cosec inverse derivative is going to be minus 1 upon x times of x square minus 1. Next up, we have this. You can multiply x square with 1. It will become x cube. And you'll have over here simply 1. So basically, you're going to have here x cube minus 1. Integral answer will be x power 4 by 4 minus x. X power 4 by, sorry, x square, right? Excuse me, I wrote this as x cube. This is x square. This is x square, okay? So it's going to be x cube by 3 minus x. Answer is x cube by 3 minus x, option D. Check. 13, somebody has given me the answer. Yeah, so 13, D is correct. 14, 13th D is correct, 14th also D is correct, 15th. Is there a lag? So I think I'm getting the answer a little late. So all of you, give me the answer for the 15th problem. The antiderivative of sine 2x with respect to x, okay, will be what? Sine 2x with respect to x. How will you integrate this? It will become cos 2x by 2 minus cos 2x by 2. Sine derivative is going to be cos and sine integration is going to be again minus cos. Answer will be option D. Straightforward formulas. Straightforward formulas. Alright. Next up what? Next up, for cosec x into cos x plus cot x, you can just expand this, will become cosec square x, and cosec cot, we have integration for both of them. This will be integration of cosec square is minus cot, and cosec into cot integration is minus cosec. So your answer is option A. Your answer is, I get it, yeah, Bangalore South doesn't have it, but this live has been seen by across, student across Karnataka, so they have this syllabus as well. If you want me to, you guys can do one thing. If you don't want, let me know how many of you want me to solve this chapter right now, or I can come back to this chapter later. Should I come back to this chapter later? Should I move on from here and come back to this chapter at the end? Come on, tell me, yes or no. Should I skip this for now? Yes or no? Should I skip this chapter for now? Yes or no? I want to see. If many of you are saying to skip it right now, I'll go back to the other chapter. Yes. Okay, I'll put it in the end because many of you are not having this in the syllabus. That's why the answers are not coming. Okay, so I can see that very well that you don't have it right now. So let me go ahead and start the ITF I can do. Is that okay if I do ITF? Yes, let's do ITF right now. Yes, majority is South districts, I guess. So ITF answers I would love to have now. Sine inverse of x is there. We are looking for value of y. Basically means what? Principal value branch over here or range. They are the same thing. Writing a question like this or principal value branch or range, answer would be same. So answer for this question I have got from many. B, D. Sumati is saying first D then B. Okay. Let me see. Okay, now it's coming more and B. Srishti is also saying B. Yeah, B is correct, no? B is correct. The value of cot inverse of 1 upon x square minus 1. What's the answer for this? 1 upon x square minus 1 in the root. Take x value as, you can take x value as, I think, sec theta. And this will work. It will become sec square minus 1, which is tan square. In the root will become tan. 1 by tan will be what? Cot. Cot inverse of cot is going to be simply theta. Theta value from here is going to be sec inverse of x. So answer is option C. Let me see how many of you got it right. Nobody has given me the answer for this. Let me know, guys. Put a question number next to your answer. Put a question number next to your answer. Come on, everyone. Put a question number next to your answer. Okay. So I don't know how many of you got it right or wrong, but answer is option C. 29th problem. Tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x is equal to what? Tell me. Question number 29. What's the answer for this? Tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x. Okay, 27, somebody has said B. B is correct. Others 28 and 29 have not answered for 28. Okay. Alright. Okay. So 29th is tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x is equal to what? How do we solve this problem? Cos x is given. We can write cos x as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by, we'll have 1 minus sin x as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square. Right, guys? I can write 1 as cos square plus sin square and sin x as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, right? So we have a square, b square and 2ab. So it becomes the whole square with the minus sign, and we have cos square minus sin square. If you check, this will become what? This will become cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2 minus, minus sin of x by 2. This is your answer. If you divide everything by cos, this will become 1 plus tan, 1 minus tan. We know the formula for that is tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So if you write this now, this will become tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Correct? Tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2, because if you divide everything by cos, it will become 1, it will become tan, it will become 1, it will become again tan. Okay? If you put back over here tan inverse of tan, answer will be pi by 4 plus x by 2, which is what? Option A, right? Which is option A. 29th one is also done. 29th is somebody saying B. 29th answer is option A, right? Please check. Option A. So Sumati, Raghavan and everybody, Srushti also got it wrong. Everybody has given the answer for B. Why B? Check. Check, check, check. Why is your answer B? Everyone please check. The answer is actually option A only. The set of value of x, if this value is given, how do you solve this? This is going to be what? This is going to be the range, right? Output. So this will be 2 theta will lie between minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2, excuse me, it's here. Okay, let me just continue here. Where is it? Here only. So if I have to write like this, I'll get what? I'll get here, this value will be coming as, what is it? 2 theta will be less than pi by 2 and more than minus pi by 2. Move 2 on this side, we get minus pi by 4, and we have here theta pi by 4. If you put the value of sine on both sides, you'll get this as same thing. You'll get this as x, because you're taking sine inverse of x as theta. Okay, so this will become what? Sine will become minus 1 by root 2, and this will become again 1 by root 2. Answer is option B. So 27 to 30, let me see how many of you got it right. Okay, how many of you got it correct? So let's see, we have here 29B. Guys, please check your answers. Please check your answers. Something is wrong. How many of you did not understand the question number 29? How many of you did not understand the question number 29? Let me know. How many of you did not understand question number 29? Okay. How many of you did not get question number 29? What happened? Yeah. So we have, sir, can you explain again 29? You should have asked, no? No problem. I'll explain it to you here. Let me see. Yeah, I can explain again. 29th was, if you check, we had here, I think this part you understood, right? Cos square of x by 2 minus sine square of x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2 plus sine square x by 2 minus 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. This is clear? We have used the formula, nothing else. Okay, this is for 1, this is for sine x, this is for cos x, half angle formula. All right, and this becomes what? This is a square minus b square. So we'll have here cos of x by 2 minus sine of x by 2 times cos of x by 2 plus sine of x by 2 divided by, check this out, again cos of x by 2 minus sine of x by 2 the whole square. Cancel this. We have cos of x by 2 plus sine of x by 2 over there, and cos of x by 2 minus sine of x by 2 over here. Square the extra part is cut off now. Now divide both these by cos. So I'll have here cos by cos as 1, plus is as it is. Now we get tan of x by 2, and we're getting 1 minus tan of x by 2, right? So this becomes what? This becomes your tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 and tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2. This is the formula for, sorry, not this, not here, my bad. Yeah, 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2. That's the formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B. Okay. Yeah, yes, correct. So I get this over here. Yes, this is the formula, tan of x plus tan of y, 1 minus tan of x minus y. Got it? Yes. So if we get over here, we get tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay. Now this is operated outside with tan inverse. So I get the answer as pi by 4 plus x by 2. I think this is clear now. X minus y will not be there, no? In this case, x minus y is not there. Please check. We have plus sign, right? We have plus left. Cos plus sign is left. Cos minus sign is already cancelled. Ravi? Cos minus sign is cancelled. We have cos plus sign left. Be careful in the mistakes that you're making. So now this is clear, guys. Everyone is clear with what happened over here. 29th problem. Please check. 29th problem. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Okay, so I think this is the right approach. Next, let's move on. Let's go back to the questions. 20. Okay, this is integration actually. All right, so this is clear. 30th also clear, guys. Everyone, 30 is clear. Let's move on to next one. 41. Next is 41. Others is the question clear now. 29. All right. One branch of sine inverse of x other than the principal value branch is this. This is correct. This is correct, right? Check this out. First branch is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. First branch is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Have a look. First branch is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? Close interval. Add pi to both side. Add pi to both side. Why adding pi to both side? Because pi is the period, right? What is the period? Pi. So add pi to both sides. This will become plus pi by 2. And this will become what? This will become 3 pi by 2. That's your answer. That's your answer. Yes. Alright. Reason sin x is invertible in the interval? Correct. If it is the curve like this, if it is 1 1 on 2, it's invertible. So both of them are true. A is true, R is true. A is true, R is true. Alright. Super. Now, next question number 42. Check over here. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. You can solve it very simple. Apply writing 7 pi by 6 as pi plus pi by 6. And for this, what we're going to get? We'll get in the third quadrant. Cos is negative in third quadrant. So you'll have the value of this whole thing as cos inverse of minus cos pi by 6, right? Minus cos pi by 6. Please check. Minus cos pi by 6 means what we have over here is simply going to be pi minus pi by 6. Answer will be 5 pi by 6 only. Answer will be 5 by 6 or 5 pi by 6 only. Please check. So this is correct option. This is a branch of cos inverse is 0 to pi. Correct. This is also correct. But does not explain properly, right? We don't have the explanation for this. We don't have the condition of the quadrant rule involved over here. Okay, we don't have the condition of this formula also. So none of these are involved. That's why both statements are correct, but not explaining each other. Okay, so now 2 doesn't explain the statement number 1. So both of them are true. 1 is true, 2 is true, and not explanation. So option number C. So for the question number 41 answer is D, and 42 answer is C. Doubts? Let me know. Sir, sound here, bacha, what happened? Am I not audible? Is the audio not coming? Is the audio not coming? Yes. Okay. Is the audio not coming? Yeah. So I think we can continue. Any doubt in this part? 41, 42. Any doubt? Okay. All right. There's some background noise. Is it disturbing you a lot? Is it like difficult to hear? Am I not audible because of the noise in the background? Okay, I think they must be doing some work here nearby, that's why that noise is coming. Otherwise things are clear only. Okay, so this is clear, no doubt so far. Now this match the list question, this can be expected in the examination as it is. I'm telling you, you have exam on 17th or 18th, this question can, if they're asking a question from ITF 1 marker MCQ, they can ask you this problem directly. It involves 3 of them, their favorite is their favorite question, principal value branch, range value branch. Okay, so this is very, very important. Please go ahead and solve these 2 problems right now from your side. I will not solve it for you. Come on. Both the questions 45 and 46, solve it for me and let me know. Come on guys, time to solve the problems now. I'm waiting. Quickly give me the answers. Yes. 45th, what is the answer? Range of cot inverse, range of tan inverse, range of sin inverse. For A, what is the answer? No answer so far. No answers so far. Range of cot inverse is going to be what? Range of tan inverse is going to be what? And range of sin inverse is going to be what? You all know that. So for cot inverse, what happened? You have all forgotten. No answers. Cot inverse is going to be at, okay, tan inverse is, and sin inverse is this. Yes. Yeah, so sir, C is 3. Sin is 3. Yes, sin is 3. 3. Okay. What about cot inverse? What about cot inverse? Cot inverse is 2, right? Yes. So option C. Yes, guys. Option C is right. 2, 1, 3 is the right choice. Yes. Little slow, but okay. You all got it right at least. Let's move on with next problem. Match the column 1 with column 2. Range of sec inverse. Range of sec inverse will be what? Range means principal value branch. The output coming out of this will be anything but the angle pi by 2. Please check. Okay, so for this we'll have 2 over here. Domain of cosec inverse is going to be 1. So we have a 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, right? Option C again, but this has to be 0. This has to be 0. There's a correction in this. This has to be 0, not pi by 2. Please check. Next one is going to be cos of pi by 3 minus sine of, this is sine inverse. This sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 will be what? This will become plus sine over here. And this will be pi by 6. So answer is cos 90, 0. Please check. Minus and minus will become plus, and sine inverse of 1 by 2 is how much? 30 degrees, which is pi by 6. 30 plus 60, pi by 6, 5 by 3 is 60. Answer is 90. Sum will become 0. Principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is pi by k. 48th problem. 48th problem. Principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 will be how much? It will become pi minus, for this part exactly you will have pi minus, cos inverse of 1 by 2 is what? Pi by 3. So we get 2 pi by 3 as answer over here. If you compare this with pi by k, k value is 3 by 2. K value is 3 by 2. Please check. Yes, super, super. Ravi, very good. I can see the clarity in your concepts. Okay. Now I have an announcement for all of you regarding your beautifully designed KC90 crash course. Okay, so yes, it is live now. Remember, we all launched it, the offline version. You all were asking for the online version. So we have brought back, we worked on it for 2-3 weeks, and here's the result. So we have brought you all the online version of KC90. It will be a 90-day full-time crash course actually. Schedule is already been shared with you guys, I think, more or less in the live that we had. In that we have told you, if you have not watched it, go ahead and watch it. We have shared the schedule program. It starts from your Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Okay, some of times it will be on Wednesday as well for the lives. Okay, we have also live discussion in this. So there's a schedule which is designed in such a way that you don't it will not affect your preparation that is going on in your PU college or in your classes. So this is designed in a way that you can attend it after you're back from your school. Okay, now the best part about this KC90 course is a promise of what? If you follow it properly, you can easily score top 1000 rank. I'm not just saying that. Have you seen the result of this our channel Diksha Karnataka last year? Okay, we had outstanding result with very short span of time, but this time we have put more energy into it and more commitment into it to bring out the best out of students. Okay, so we have a commitment of top 1000 rank from this particular series that we have come up with. And one more commitment is there, that anything that is coming on our platform in this year till the examination of COMEDK will be given free in this KC90 course. Means if you purchase it right now, all the test series you can see over here, Abhyas KCET test series, COMEDK test series, which has original value of 6000, and PU2 board test series, light dot classes, anything that is coming, crash course of 21 days for COMEDK, for KCET, all will be taken free as incorporated in the KC90 online course. Okay, so make sure that if you are purchasing it, purchase right away, take this course right now, and the offer price is right now 9,999. You can take this course at 9,999 from 20,597. As I'm telling you, it is having all the features incorporated. Okay, so all the test series, so it's going to be your 1-point solution for everything. Get this and you're done, you're prepared, you're set for your COMEDK and KCET. Okay, so as I said, the course is starting from 1st November. The course goes live on 31st October. From 1st November, the classes will begin. And so this is again for some students who are not part of Karnataka, they can't write KCET. So for them, we can take just COMEDK course, that will come for 5,999, and just KCET course that will come for again 5,999. If you just want to study for KCET, if you have a preference only for KCET, you can go for 5,999, COMEDK 5,999, or KC90 at 9,999. I will wait a minute. If you have a question to ask about this KC90 online version of this course, you can ask me. Offline version is still is there. You have to visit the campuses for that. So we have given you the link of that in the description. Go ahead, check the link out. Offline, you have to contact and see which campus is near to your house and get the admissions. Okay, so both offline version is there and online version is also available. Sir, when is it? So this is the class, the admissions have already started, students are already enrolled. The class begins on 1st November. The first class goes on 1st November, and it will be done in evening only. So after you're back from school, then only will start. Okay, and one day you'll have only one subject, one chapter, will not have much. And first we start with the PU2 so that it helps you in your boards as well. So as I said, first we're going to go with PU2, boards, COMEDK, KCET level together. Then we go ahead and do our PU2 board test series. We have also Abhyas KCET test series, and COMEDK test series will also be part of this entire KC90 live course. Okay, I think your questions are clear. Guys, anything else you want to ask me, you can ask. Meanwhile, I'll start with our problems of MCQs. Okay, I think I've done till here. Yeah, if you have any question to ask me, you can always ask. You're always welcome to ask. I'll come back to that later. Okay, let's start. I understand your time is very, very important, so let's solve some questions from matrices now. Okay, if a matrix has 8 elements, then total number of possible different order of matrix is going to be what? Total number of, it has 8 elements, right? So 1 8 2 8 1 2 4 4 2. Anything else? 1 8 8 1 2 4 4 2. So I think total possibility is only 4. Yeah, total possibility is only 4. Yes, Ravi, I hope I answered your question. Yeah, see. Yes, guys, so if you are not from Bangalore, no, if you want to join something, I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the best courses available for your KCET and COMEDK. Join right away and you'll see once the session starts. And once you join, you'll get all the features, you'll get all the schedule delivered to you in your mail, and you can make sure you can make plans for your classes accordingly. You'll have all one-shot sessions for chapter wise, topic wise videos will be there. You have recorded sessions of PYQs, recorded sessions of COMEDK PYQs, you'll have live sessions, you'll have DPPs available. Everything is available in the course part A. Okay, so Shrishti is saying, sorry, 5A 5B, what happened? If a matrix has 13 elements, yeah, only 2, right? 1 13 and 13 1. Yes, 1 13 and 13 1. Chali. Next up we have, for any square matrix A, Aij equal to 0 when I and j are not equal, then matrix A is what? Means all elements when I and j are not equal is going to be 0. What's that element? What's that matrix? For sixth one, check. Sixth one, D. Row matrix, is it? When it is not 1 1 2 2 3 3 like this, except for 1 1 2 2 3 3, every other element is 0. It means it's going to be a diagonal matrix. It's going to be a diagonal matrix. Option C, guys. Option C. Yes. Next up, question number 7. Check. For a 2 cross 2 matrix Aij whose elements are given by I plus j the whole square by 2, then A is equal to what? 1 plus 1 square is going to be 2 square, 4 by 2 is 2. So that is there. We have 2 1, 3 square, 1 2, so 3 square, so 9 by 2, 9 by 2, correct. Last one you check. So this is correct. This is also, we'll check the last one, 2 2. So 4 square is 16 by 2. Answer is option C. 16 by 2 is 8. Seventh one, answer is C. Seventh one, answer is C. Yes, Srishti. Okay, seventh one, answer is C. Alright. 11th problem. What happened? Give me more answers. Only Ravi and Srishti is giving me answers. Others are not participating. Is the chapter difficult or too easy? If A and B are matrices of order m cross n, n cross n respectively, then which of the following are defined? Tell me. If the order of A is m cross n and B is n cross n, so square matrix, rectangular matrix, what is defined? Can we multiply A and B? We can, because we have n and n, so we can multiply. AB is defined. What about A square? No. We can multiply only for square matrix that way, but B square, yes. So answer is option D. Answer is option D. Yes. Next up, question number 12. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Means total number of element will be 9 over here. 3 cross 3 means 9 elements. Each has 2 possibilities, so 2 power 9. Every element has 2 possibilities, so 2 into 2 into 2, 9 times. I get 2 power 9, which is 512. 512. The values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal. Okay. Check. From here we get y as 7. Compare these two. Y is 7 and x will be what? 5 minus 7 is 2, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 and 7, right? So option A. In the following, scalar matrix is what? Whenever you have non-diagonal elements 0 and diagonal elements same. So option C. So answers are D, D, A, C. D, D and A, C. Yes. Yes. Yes, Ravi. So only 3 of you are actively participating. Others, I don't know what happened. If you have any problem, let me know. Are you facing difficulty in the questions? What is actually the problem, guys? What's wrong? 21. Which one of the following is not true? Matrix addition is commutative, matrix addition is associative, matrix multiplication is commutative, and matrix multiplication is associative. Which is not true? Which is not true? Check. Matrix multiplication is commutative is not true. Only true in the case of inverse matrices. In the case of inverse matrices. Okay. Check. Next up, 22. If A and B are two matrices such that A plus B and AB are both defined, then A and B are two matrices. They're saying that product and this is also defined. It means first of all, A plus B, if you can add A plus B, it means that same order, right? Same order. It can be a rectangular as well, but if you are able to multiply that, it means if it is m cross n, this also is m cross n, and they have to be equal, because to multiply n and m should be equal. So basically they are the same order square matrix. They are the same order square matrix, and we are the square matrix of the same order. So option B is correct. 23. A alpha, this is property. We have learned this kind of question, right? Whenever we multiply A alpha, A beta, it comes out as A times of alpha plus beta. We have learned this is a property. This is a PYQ as well. This is a PYQ as well. Yes. So I can explain question number 21. Okay, I'll get it to Shruti. 22, 22 C, B. 22 is C. 22 is C. Why? 22 Raghavan is saying, okay, Ravi is saying C, B. Ravi is saying 23 D. 23 D is correct. 21 somebody said. Okay, the doubt was 21. All right. So basically, bacha, this property means that AB equals to BA. This is only possible when AB equals to BA equals to I. This property you see 21 no is valid only for this condition, and this means that A is inverse of B or B is inverse of A. Okay, so that's why this property is not always true, only true if they are said that A and B are inverse of each other. When A and B are inverse of each other. All right. Yes. 23rd is 24th now. This is the incorrect one. In case of difference, you don't change the order. Okay, 1 second. So your incorrect option, sorry, incorrect answer is the option C. Correct choice but incorrect statement. Here you go. A is equal to A transpose means symmetric matrix. This means symmetric. It means X and Y has to be same. Option C. Next up. Which one of the following is not true? A is a symmetric matrix if not true, right? So what we have, this is true. A is skew symmetric, again true for any square matrix A with a real number entries. Okay, this is wrong. A plus A dash is symmetric and A minus A dash is skew symmetric. Okay, so this is your incorrect statement and correct choice. Incorrect statement and correct choice, please check. So your answer is clear for all these 6 problems. 6 only, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 problems. Okay. Check. Let's move on. Next up. Okay. Next up we have 28, 29, 30 and 31. If A is a symmetric matrix as well as skew symmetric matrix, then what is the value of A? Answers. It's a property. We all know that. If A equal to A transpose and A transpose equals to minus A, you're going to use this together, it becomes A equal to minus A, it means 2A equals to 0. So A is 0, A is a null matrix. Yes, at least we'll try to finish at least in next half an hour, bacha. At least by 8:30, we'll try to finish this. Okay. A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB minus BA is what? AB minus BA. Check. X equals to AB minus BA. Apply transpose on both sides. You get this as AB minus BA the transpose. This will become AB transpose minus BA transpose, right? And this will be what? BA. They are symmetric, right? AB is symmetric. Yeah. So BA minus AB. Take minus sign common, you get AB minus BA. This is same as minus X, right? This is same as minus X. Hence it is going to be option B, skew symmetric. Hi sir, reply. What is it? Hi sir, hi sir. Good evening, Navya. Have I taught you last year? Navya Shri? Looks very familiar, this name. I think there was a student like with the same name last year. 29th B. 29th B is correct. Okay. Okay. So 30th, please check. Symmetric matrix, then you have to make sure that x minus 3 is equal to 3. Hence is going to be x is 6. Option C is correct. No sir, I'm new. I had a student with the same name last year. That's what I thought. And she was very regular in my classes. Sridevi, C is right answer. 31, if A is a square matrix, then A minus A transpose is what? Same approach, okay, take X as A minus A transpose and apply transpose to this. You'll get the answer as, one more time, option C, skew symmetric. Super. Super, super. Okay, let's move on. This is also done. Next, we have determinants. Determinants, sir. If you are all, now I have to ask all of you, if you are all very new to the channel, watching the videos for the first time, subscribe the channel right away, bacha, because we are here to support you in every way possible for your PU2 boards, for midterms we are doing anyway, for boards, for KCET, for COMEDK, everything, okay? Yes, the KC90 crash course is very exclusive. There are more content into that, okay, and very extensive in nature. But we're gonna also provide very good content on our platform, on our Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel as well. So if you don't want to miss out on any of the opportunities to get good score, to get a serious result in your PU2 boards or CET, subscribe the channel right now and join the WhatsApp channel to get to know the classes when it is coming, okay? Because all the updates of any live class will come in the WhatsApp channel only. So join the WhatsApp channel. Link is given in the description and subscribe right away. And okay, it motivates it. It gives us, love, every subscription that you give, every comment that you put, it motivates it. It makes us really happy and come back with this, increased level of energy and help you out in the best way possible. Okay, sorry. So if you are new, watching for the first time, make sure that you subscribe the channel and give us some love and ask us whatever you need from us. We'll certainly deliver it. Okay, determinants, question 7, 8, 14, 15, 16. Who all are solving it? Let's see. 14, 15, 16, and we have two more here. A is given, then 3a is equal to what? Very simple. 3 power n and determinant of a. Determinant of a is nothing but 4. So 3 power n will be 3 power 3. So 3 power 3 into 4, so 27 into 4, I get 108 as the answer. I get 108 as the answer. Yes. Super. Next up, 8th one. What's the answer for the 8th one? We have done this question. It will become 0, it will become x as plus minus 6. I hope all of you know this answer, right? X square 36. So x square minus 36 is equal to 0. I get x square as 36. It means x will be plus minus 6. Yes. X will be plus minus 6. Now 14th one. 14th one. If A is a square matrix of order 2 and determinant of A is 3, then A inverse is going to be what? 1 by determinant of A. Answer is 1 by 3. Option C is correct. Yes. Next, 15th. Property of adjoint involved over here. Property of adjoint involved over here for 15th. A is a square matrix of order n, then adjoint of A determinant will be what? Simply adjoint of A determinant will be determinant of A power n minus 1, because here we have only 1, so that's why it remains as it is as 1 only. Otherwise the power of adjoint will also come. If you have 2 adjoint, the power will become 2, 3 adjoint, the power will become n minus 1 power 3, and so on. Okay. If A and B are invertible matrices, then which of the following is not correct? Correct. This is true. This is also true. For invertible, they have to be non-singular in nature, and this is wrong because this has to be determinant of A times of I. So your incorrect answer statement is this, and correct choice is option A. Correct choice is option A. Please check. Something. Okay, this display went. All right. So this is clear. All of this is clear. Any doubt in this? Yes, Ravi. Any doubt in this? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. No answers. Is this not in your syllabus, determinants? Is determinant not in your syllabus? Yeah. Next four questions from determinant chapter. Inverse of the matrix 2, 2, 4, 3. We all know the way to find this. Adjoint will be very simple. Adjoint is given by, take this as, interchange this 2 and 3, and the minus sign for these two, minus 2 and minus 4 is the adjoint. Okay. And determinant will be what? 6 minus 8. So minus 2 is the determinant. Divide by that. So we'll have over here 1 by 2. There's a minus sign. So there will be a sign change. It will become minus 3, minus 2, 2 and 4. Minus 3, 2, 4 and minus 2. Okay, so I think option B is correct. Option B is correct. 23 now. 23. What happened? Am I going faster? Should I explain any question? Should I explain any question again? Let me know. Because you guys don't ask me your concerns. You don't ask me your doubts. What happened? Tell me. Any problem? Any question is not that you are getting? Is it difficult? Okay. All right. So let's continue then. No queries. 23rd. Consider the system of linear equations. If you solve this, you'll get a non-zero value of determinant. Okay. So we have 3 over here. We have minus 2. We had this as 3. We have 2, 1 and minus 1. From here we get 4 minus 3 and 2. Find the determinant of this. This will come out as non-zero. It means it will be a non-singular matrix. Hence it will be having a unique solution. It will be having a unique solution. Okay. So can't we use the condition of A1, 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 B1, B2, C1 for MCQs? I didn't get a question only. A1, B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay. I didn't understand your question only, Ravi. Alright. Let's continue from here. We have next question. A square minus 4a plus I, then the inverse of a is what? Very simple. Keep I over here, rest all on that side. You get inverse as I equals to 4a minus a square. Multiply a inverse on both the sides of equation. A inverse of I will be a inverse. You'll have 4 times of a inverse into a will be I. You'll have a inverse of a square will become minus a. So 4i minus a. 4i minus a, option D is correct. Option D is correct. If area of a triangle is 35 square units with vertices, they have given the vertex over here, 2 minus 6, 5, 4, k4. You know how to solve it. I'll show you. Write this as, area is given as 35, right? So right here 1 by 2. Determinant will be what? 2 minus 6, 5, 4, k4. And this is your 1, 1, 1 equals to plus minus 35. Solve the determinant, move the 2 on the other side, you'll get the answer as option D. Solve it. Yes. Check. To check whether the solution is consistent or not. Yeah, you can use that. Yeah, A1 by A. But don't you have to use, what do you call? This is for 2 equation system, right? Check. This approach is easier. No? Got it. You can use that. You can use that. No problem. You can use whenever you can. You can use that. It's correct. Let's move ahead. All right. Okay. Next questions for matrices. Yes. Visible on the screen. Let's solve these problems as well. If the matrix A is given as 0, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, minus 2, minus 4, 0, is determinant of A 0. How do we do it? Do we solve it? No. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Please check. 0 as diagonal and we have this is 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4. It's a skew symmetric matrix with the order 3 cross 3. So if you have a skew symmetric matrix with odd order, if the order is odd, determinant is always 0. Determinant is always 0. So your answer is both of them are true. A is true and R is true. Option A is correct. A is true and R is true. 34th one, statement, let's check. A is a square matrix of order 2 and determinant of A is 7. 4A will be what? 4A will be 4 square. Order is 2, right? So 4 square into 7. 16 into 7. Correct? No? This is right. Same property. So both of them are true again. N is the order, right? This is the same property we are using in the statement number 1. So both of them are true. Option C. Statement based questions can be asked and will be asked. Okay? If it is coming from this chapter, I have covered them all. So please pay attention and solve these problems with me. My goal was very simple, that if I am coming here with MCQs, then I should help you solve all the problems. And once this session is over, you should not have to, again read the MCQs or learn the MCQs. Okay? Sorry. 35th one, statement number 1, the inverse of matrix A 2, 3, 4, 6 does not exist. Is it? 6 into 2 is 12, minus 3 into 4, again 12, which is 0. So we get this as singular matrix. Of course, it's true. So inverse of singular matrix does not exist. Both of them are correct and it explains the statement or assertion number 1. So we have statement 1 true, 2 true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of the statement number 1. B is right. So let me see how many of you got it correct. Okay. Yes, Ravi. So any of these questions you have trouble in, 1, 2, 3 and 4th one I'll solve it right now. If A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3, the number of minors remains same as the number of elements. Number of minor is same as the number of elements, so it will be simply 3. For a 3 cross 3 square matrix, number of element is 9 and so is the number of minors. Yes. Others in the live, let me know if you have any trouble in the question number 33 to 36. Any doubt if you have before I move on to the next chapter? Before I move on to the next chapter, any doubt you have, you can ask me. Okay? Next is C and D. Next is C and D. Let's see. Let me see how many of you got it correct. The questions in this chapter, continuity and differentiability. Again, I have taken from the question bank which is given by your board itself. So all the questions that you see over here are very much relevant. Reason is very simple, because what happens, no? There are like more than 30-40 questions in the question bank, but I picked those which can be expected to come in the exams day after. Okay? So be with me, solve these problems and get ready, get yourself ready for those 20 marks. The MCQs, the 1 marker will come for 20 marks, and that's, if you solve this session, 20 marks you can get. And not only that, these questions can be, whatever concept I'm using, that can be asked in 2 marker, 3 marker also. Only the 5 marker questions are a little bit different. 2 marker, 3 marker are based on the similar concept directly. Okay? So let's solve this problem. Third one. Right hand derivative of mod of x is simply 1. LHD is minus 1, RHD is 1, that's why they are not differentiable, because they are not equal, right? So RHD is 1. How do you solve that? If you define the function mod of x, you get this as plus x and minus x for x more than 0 and for x less than 0. Okay? This is the definition of mod of x. Differentiate this, you'll get this as plus 1 and minus 1. So your RHD value is 1 and your LHD value is minus 1. Okay. The GIF defined by this is always non-differentiable, non-continuous or discontinuous at the integral value. So answer is option D. Discontinuous and non-differentiable at any integral value. In this case, x equals to 1. Next up, number of points in the interval x equal 0 to 2, in which this GIF of x denotes the GIF is non-differentiable between 0 to 2. So we'll have only one. 0 to 2 has only one integer, 1, right? Because 0 is open, 2 is open. 0 and 2 cannot be there. So we have only one integer between them. So that is the number of point where it is non-differentiable. You get the answer as number of point as 1. Number of point is 1. Luckily for this case, even the value is 1, where the function is non-differentiable and discontinuous. Let's move on this function. This is going to be discontinuous at 0. First, this question 4, 5, 6 is on the same concept. The derivative of f of x is at 0 is not existing in nature, because your LHD is -1 and RHD is +1. Okay. Next up, which one of the following is not true? Every polynomial function is continuous. Yeah. Every rational function is continuous. Correct, because if you take rational function, domain is always taken out, like those values which make the denominator 0. Whatever values of x or whatever the variable is involved there, that will make the denominator 0, will be not part of the domain, right? So even every rational function is continuous. Every differential function is continuous, that's correct. Every continuous function is differentiable, not necessarily, because modulus of x is a continuous function but not differentiable. So option D is right. Every continuous function is not always differentiable. They are looking for statement which is not true. So this is the incorrect statement and correct choice, option D. Ninth one, a function f is said to be differentiable for x belongs to R if it is what? Continuous at x equal to 0. Yes, differentiable at x equal to 0. Continuous for x belongs to R. Continuous at 2 points. It has to be continuous, right? It's said to be differentiable if it is differentiable at the point. No, differentiable. This is something. There's some mistake in this question, isn't it? For this to be differentiable, ninth one, function is said to be differentiable for x belongs to R if it is continuous at the point. Something is wrong. For the entire domain, entire real numbers, if we are looking for differentiable, it has to be continuous, of course. If it is differentiable, then it has to be continuous, not the other way around. Okay. Chali. This is under remark. 10th question, the function fx equals to mod of x plus mod of x minus 1 is continuous at -1 as well as +1, correct? Continuous at both the points, actually. Continuous at both the points. Answer is A. Continuous at both the points. For the question number 10, is continuous at both the point. Ravi is saying 4D, 8D, 8 option D. Okay. Yes, 4 also is D, correct. 11A. Yeah, 11 is not A, 11 is B actually. 2 sec square, 2x plus 3, right? For tan derivative is going to be sec square, 2x plus 3, and for derivative of 2x plus 3 will become 2. So answer is B, not A. 10th option is A. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Derivative of tan is going to be sec square, not sec. Okay. All right. Over here, some more questions of derivative, some more problems of derivative. So we have another session scheduled tomorrow. Okay, for all of you who could not join because you have other exams tomorrow, don't worry, your 17th and 18th is maths. That's what I've got to know from this session. So tomorrow again I'll come back, I'll do a complete revision. I'll tell you MCQs, I'll tell you subjective questions also in this. So I will not leave until unless your whole thing is covered. You'll tell me that, sir, okay, I am prepared for my examination. I'll stay till that time. Okay. We'll try to come live around at 4 o'clock and we'll discuss as many problems as possible. Alright. So let's solve these questions right now. But again a reminder that we will have another live tomorrow for everything, for subjective questions, for objective questions tomorrow at 4 o'clock we'll try to schedule. But you'll get to know once you are joined the WhatsApp channel. We'll put the reminder in the channel itself. X minus y equal to pi, then dy by dx is what? Very simple. For x will be 1. For again if you check 1 minus dy by dx, you'll have again here 0. So answer will be 1. Answer is B1. Y equal to sin inverse of x, sin inverse of 1 root of 1 minus x square. Derivative if you take, how much is this? Should come at should come this as 0, I guess. Check, guys. Is this 0? Let me know. Whoever is in the live, let me know. For question number 14, is the answer 0? When I don't know how to solve it, we'll get answer as root of 1 minus x square. Over here will be same thing, root of 1 minus square of this. So we'll get minus plus x square. Okay, and derivative of this will become 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square minus 2x, right? So 2 and 2 is cancelled. This will become 1 and 1 cancelled. X square in the root will cancel with this x over here, and we'll have 1 by 1 minus x square with the minus sign. Answer is 0, correct. Please check. Anyone has doubt in this question, you can ask me, otherwise I'll move on. Question number 14, answer is 0. There's another approach to this question using substitution method. You can substitute x as sine theta. Okay, it'll become cos theta over here. It'll become cos theta. No, you take x as cos theta actually. So it'll become sine theta. Okay, check. Can you explain again 14th one? All right, let me erase everything and go about this again. So basically derivative of sine x will be, sine inverse will be what? 1 upon root of x square minus 1, derivative of just this first part. Next, derivative of this, again sine inverse is there, we'll have here 1 minus, but in this case we'll have the square of this whole square, we'll have to take square of this root. When you do that, you'll have the same thing, 1 minus x square, correct, no, inside the bracket. So it'll become minus 1 plus x square, it'll become minus 1 and plus x square, right? So that is there. Next, we have to apply the chain rule. We have done for sine inverse, we have to do for same thing, this root as well. We'll get 1 by 2, derivative of this root is going to be 1 by 2, and the same root will come in the denominator, right? And then you have to differentiate one more time the thing which is inside the root. So that will be minus 2x, minus 2x. Check here, this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. We have x over here, this 1 and 1 is cancelled. We have x square in the root, so that will cancel this x over here. Now we have what? We have 1 upon root of x square minus 1. There's a minus sign over here, and this root is as it is, so minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Answer is 0. Check. Answer is 0. Yes. All right. Yeah. Next, 15th. Y equal to cos inverse of sin x, then dy by dx is what? Solve it. You'll get cos inverse as minus 1 upon minus 1 upon 1 minus sin square x, right? And this will become what? Sin x derivative is cos x. So this is going to be cos x. They will cancel. Answer is minus 1. So option D. Answer is minus 1. So option D. All right. Derivative of this, you have a power x ln a, x power a times of x power a minus 1, and a power a is a constant that is gone, so 0. So your answer will be a power x ln a, x power a minus 1, but there should be a coefficient also. This is correct, option C. A power x ln a, and a will come as the coefficient here, and x power a minus 1. So 16th is also over. So if you do by substitution method, I'm getting a for the answer. For 14th one, is it? Okay, if you are telling me, I'll accept it. So basically, check here, this is, let it be like this only. Keep x as sine theta. Okay, this will become theta. Okay, and over here I'll have, please check, over here I'll have what is this? Sine inverse of, this will be cos theta, right? This will be cos theta. So I can write this as sine inverse of cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Sorry, sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Excuse me. Something happened. Yeah. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta. Right? Yeah. So this will become what? Theta plus, excuse me, I don't know what is happening. Yeah, over here, do we have space over here? I'll just solve this question like this. Sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of root of 1 minus x square. What is the value of y? Check this out. We get this as theta. For this we'll have sine inverse of, if I take this, it'll become cos theta, right? This is theta. This is going to be sine inverse of sine of pi by 2 minus theta, right? Shruti, please check. And we are getting here theta plus sine inverse of, this will become simply pi by 2 minus theta. Excuse me. This will become simply pi by 2 minus theta because we have sine inverse and sine at the same time. So pi by 2 minus theta. This is cancelled. We are getting value of y as pi by 2. Derivative will be dy by dx. Answer is 0. Shruti, please check. Your answer is incorrect, bacha. Okay. Yes. Shruti, is this clear? Please check. Okay. So, yeah, I feel that for my point of view, I feel that chain rule is simpler. But if you want to do this method also, I am not going to discourage you. Okay. Let me erase this just to avoid any confusion. All right. Okay, let's get back to the session. Now somebody is saying math is scary. Who is this? This is hi Nagaraj, you are late. I got it. You were in the previous live. I saw your comments. Good participation. Math is very difficult, Vaishnavi is saying. Okay. Vaishnavi, are you writing your midterms, bacha, next after 2 days? When you have midterms? Tell me. Then it's not about, if your exams is after 2 days, then it's not about emotions anymore. Basically, the thing is, you have to take some action, right? If you are sick, what are you going to do? You're going to take medicines. You have to eat right. So if there's a problem, we have to find a solution for that. If math is difficult, you're saying, then how can we make maths simpler for you? And how can we make maths, helpful for you? I'll erase all of this and help one of our fellow students, Vaishnavi. Okay, so you have a 80 marks paper, right? Vaishnavi, this is for you, bacha. And all of you can also benefit from this. Now, out of 80 marks paper, you have 7 chapters coming in. Try to pick, if you're somebody who's not, if you're scared of even passing the examination, okay? I don't know, these days even toppers say math is difficult, right? They keep saying math is difficult, and end up getting 95 plus. So if you're that student, then I don't have to say anything to you. You're better than me. You have scored better. You're gonna score better than me. But if you're not a topper, if you are not those kind of student who just keep saying that, but actually are pretty good, then I'm gonna give you a passing strategy. 80 marks paper are there. You have the chapters. Very simple. You have chapters as R and F. You have ITF. You have matrices. Excuse me. Something happened. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. Everyone, let me help your friend, your classmate, and all of you can also benefit from here. Determinants. Okay, I'm writing the easier chapters. I'm writing the easier chapters over here. Okay. R&F, ITF, matrices, determinant, and what else? Do you find C and D easy? I personally feel that derivatives are very simple, but if you don't, it's okay. Let's move on to LPP. If you can do C and D, good. If you have vectors, good for you. If you have 3D, good for you. I've written down the chapters which are easier for the syllabus coming off midterms. Okay. R&F topics, if you try to think of, what are topics? Topics of relations, right? Equivalence relation. You have reflexive, transitive, and symmetric. You have 1 on 2. Okay, try to solve 2 to 3 questions on each category. And it's very easy. You go ahead, open NCERT, there's all examples. I've done so much sessions on these. Go ahead, learn from there. Okay. Now ITF, again same thing. That domain range table. That domain range table over here, bacha. And alongside with it, the negative angle formulas. Okay. The sine inverse of minus x, cos inverse of minus x. Those kind of formulas are there. So please go ahead and learn from those. Okay. Learn from those. AOD also included. Now I have taken the one which is easier. I find AOD is a little bit challenging. Okay. I find that AOD is little bit challenging for some students. That's why I not kept it over here. Okay, Shruti. So basically, I'm giving you what is to be done. 31 out of 40 is not a bad marks, Vaishnavi. Means you're doing good only. Yes, crazy hits. We're gonna start very soon your KCET things. We are coming up with a series for just KCET on YouTube, completely free. So hi Ashia. Sir, could you explain how to solve one on two questions for MCQs? I'll help you. Just let me know and continue this. Matrices questions, property based questions, direct problems are there. Matrices MCQ are the easiest. Okay, focus on MCQs over here and your operations. When I say operations, I mean over here the most difficult part is the multiplication. If you can do that, that is more than sufficient. Multiplication, multiply those questions, and then you have symmetric and skew symmetric. So Vaishnavi, focus on these topics, and others who are struggling right now in mathematics and you have exam in 2 days, focus on these set of topics: determinant, all properties, inverse, adjoint. Some basic concepts are there. Go ahead, focus on that. Even MCQs of this is very simple. Okay, if you see, if you go through these chapters, LPP here very simple, definitions plus one question on graph will give you 7 marks here. 7 marks you can easily get in LPP. CND, basic definition of continuity and differentiability, one question will come. Remember, one question on CND will come on definition, pakka, guaranteed. One question guaranteed for 3 marks on definition of continuity. Not even differentiability I'm saying one question will pakka come guaranteed for 3 marks on definition of continuity. So how do you find that? Limit should be equal to the function value, right? And apart from this, learn all the formulas of all derivatives, all functions, of all the functions, whether it is log, sine, cos, all of these, learn these formulas. Okay, what definitions? Definitions there, bacha, that limits of the function should be equal to the function value at that point. We find the missing variables value, k equal to what, those kind of questions is there. 3 marks guaranteed will come from there. Okay, then in the derivative formula part, we have functions of logarithms, we have exponential function. All those derivative functions are going to be extremely important. And of course, these 3 rules, quotient rule, product rule, and the most important, chain rule, will be useful. If you can do these 3, your CND is also must done. For these 2 chapters, simply focus on formulas, and that is enough. Formulas of these 2 chapters, if you know that, sufficient. There are two derivative of this. What do you call? Yeah, derivations are there in this. One is on section formula, and other one, second one will be on the vector and Cartesian form. Vector and Cartesian form of a line. So 2 derivatives in these 2 chapters, section formula and vector and Cartesian form of a line. Those 2 can be asked. 3 mark here can be asked. This will become, if it comes, will come for 5 marks. If these 2 comes, will come for 5 marks. Okay, so easier chapter, you can easily score 50-55 plus marks in these chapters if you are focusing and doing it properly. Now somebody asked me about how to solve questions on a 1-1 onto function, right? Somebody asked me about this. So we have 2 approaches in 1-1 onto function. One is graphical. If you can see from the graph, that function has 2 intersections, right? The function has 2 intersections. It means it is not 1-1. It is not 1-1. If you can see from the graph that, sir, this graph here, excuse me, sorry for the rough figure that I'm giving you. So this graph here does not go below x-axis. It means no negative values here. But the codomain over here, excuse me, the codomain over here is going to be all real number, but your range is what? But your range is only positive or 0. Are they equal? No. It means that codomain and range are not equal. So simply the given function is not onto. For onto functions, the codomain and range has to be equal, bacha. Okay, so if you can see from the graph directly that it is not equal, move on, write not onto, and answer is done. One graphical approach is good. If not, if you want to use the algebraic approach, I'll tell you, if you have squares involved, for example, this question, 1 plus x square is there, this function, it's not 1 1. It is not 1 1. Okay, because if you solve this now, you'll end up with this, x1 square equals to x2 square. If you take root of this, you'll get the answer as x1 equals to plus minus x2. For one x1 value, you have two x2s, plus x2 and minus x2. It means not 1 1. You should be always having unique values. Please check. Okay, so this is the approach that I would suggest you. You're welcome, Ashia. You're welcome, bacha. I have trust in you, I have faith in you. Okay, so I hope you're getting it. So this is the way to break down questions of 1 1 and onto. Yes. You're welcome, Shreya Shri. Okay. Try to use, if possible, try to use graphical approach. Okay, it saves time. And how would you be able to use it? If you have solved enough number of questions. For example, sine function. Sine function altogether is not 1 1. Okay, is not 1 1. But if you break in the principal value branch, then the function is different, right? Check this out. The function becomes like this in the principal value branch. Then it is 1 1. In the principal value branch, the function is 1 1. Overall, it's not 1 1. We have more than one intersections. Okay. So please check. I hope this is clear, right? Okay. So I think this is clear. I've done all the questions over here. Next we have this. And try, please promise me that you will not lose marks in MCQs. Out of 20, you should get 18 plus. 18, 19, 20, that's your marks. Yes, bacha, I'll do all chapters MCQs. Again, you missed today, you came late, Nagaraj. I'm thinking I'll tell you what. Okay, acha, you all are live right now. I have to ask one thing. Tomorrow I was thinking that I'll do a live around 4 p.m. You all join on time this time. This is the day before examination. So join 4 p.m. sharp. I'll do a quick revision of formulas. I'll take all formulas with me, okay? Whatever formulas you will ask, I'll go ahead and explain that to you. And then we'll do a quick recap of all the MCQs one more time. We'll do a quick recap of all the MCQs one more time. And not only that, I'll keep some special questions of 5 marker, 6 marker with me that can be asked. Okay, so I'll keep 15-20 questions of 4 5 marker, like not 4 marker, 5 marker, 6 marker questions. I'll keep with me 20 odd questions. We'll keep 70 to 80 MCQs from all the chapters together, and we'll keep all the formulas together. You can ask me, so this chapter, this formula, can you explain? I'll do that. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do a live at 4 p.m. All of you join on time. No one coming at 4:05, 4:10. Let me come at 4:05, but I'll try to be on time this in the tomorrow's live. But don't come late. Be early, and we'll schedule a proper good live before examination. We'll do a complete revision of entire mathematics for all chapters. South district, North district, everything will be discussed in that live. Okay. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you, sir. You really made me confident. Love that, bacha. Nagaraj, okay, sir, definitely. Yes, Nagaraj, I know you will join. Pakka, sir, please fix the background noise. I know somebody is doing some work. I don't know why. At this time, they should not, right? In the night, you're not supposed to do any work, but they are. I hope it is not too disturbing. I hope I'm speaking very loud so that you can hear me. If it is too much, then we'll try to conclude the session, but I don't know. I can go and stop them. I'm trying to speak louder so that you can hear me. Okay, that much I can do from my side. Ravi, sir, do a video on important questions to score 70 plus. I have done that. It'll come tomorrow morning. Okay, I have done that video. It'll be uploaded. Okay, Ravi, I have done that video. It's recorded already. Will be uploaded very soon. I'll ask the team to upload as soon as possible. Sir, Bill, I will watch it later. Okay, sir. If you are okay, fine. If you're not coming on time. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, Shri. You're welcome, bacha. So today in my exams, your formula recap helped me a lot. Okay, your maths already happened, Sanika. I wouldn't be able to join live. Will watch the recorded video. Okay, Ravi. Sir, today my exams. Okay, fine. All right. So I thought it is going to be on 17th. The thing is, no, bacha, the schedule that we got, it says that 17th most of the students have examination in South District, but it's a midterm, right? So it's difficult to control the timeline, but trust me, believe me, for your finals will not miss even one session, because the schedule will be given by the boards. Everything will be planned in such a way that every one of you, each and every one of you, will be helped with my sessions, with all of our sessions planned for Diksha Karnataka. Okay, right now there was too many chaos. Whenever we get a time, know that okay, some students are saying that tomorrow is examination. Today only we got to know that some of you are having chemistry tomorrow. We need a live right away. Okay, so we are planning in the best way possible to help you out, but sometimes we are, we are missing on some things. But for boards, for finals, for pre-boards, don't worry, everything will be planned in the best way possible so that we will help each and every one of you. Yes, the 17th only. Yes, I got to know. Okay, so let me continue with these questions, then I'll end the session for today. Just these questions we will solve. Tomorrow all of you are coming for the live to solve questions with me, whether it is subjective, whether it is MCQ, whether it is formulas, all of that. Okay, promise me that, and you will be attending the live entirely from beginning to end. All of you have examination. Make sure that you are there with me, and not only what I've taken the questions, you can ask me your doubts as well. Okay, you can ask me, let's say you have some particular doubts, bring that with yourself. I'll help you in best way possible, because I cannot get your questions over here, right? But I understand whatever you are asking, I'll help you. I'll process that, and I'll help you in those doubts as well. Okay, so let's solve these questions at least, and then we'll conclude the session today. Okay, chali, let's. Y equal to root of e power root x dy by dx will be what? Differentiate this root first. Chain rule question. Excuse me, not visible. Okay, chain rule question. 1 by 2 will come for this part. We'll have one root over here. E power root x. Next e will come. So e power root x. Next this root will come. So 1 by 2 root x. Answer is 1 by 4 root x e power root x. Okay. This is the answer. C. C is the answer. Yes. C is the answer. I understand. I have hopes from you, Nagaraj. I know you will be. Okay. So 24, the derivative of e power sine inverse of x will be what? Same with root of 1 minus x square in the denominator. So option A. 25th one. Sine of log x. Sine will become cos log x by 1 by x. Cos log x by 1 by x. So cos log x, right? Sine by, okay, this will be cos log x. So we have to convert this. We'll get answer as 1 minus y square, I guess. Please check. Yeah. Because if you're getting cos of log x, no, this is equal to y. It means what? Excuse me, this is not equal to y. One second. Just a second. This is equal to y, right? Sine log x is y. It means we have root of 1 minus y square will be what? It will become root of 1 minus sine square log x. It will be what? Root of cos square log x. It will be what? Cos log x. And same thing I said over here is given. Cos log x by x is the answer. Option C is correct. Y log of log x. So 1 upon x log x is the answer. Log 7 log x, 1 by log x with log 7x is the answer. Option A. 28th one, second derivative. So 1 by x for this, and yeah, option D is correct. So I've solved all these problems. Yes. All right. So I got the answer from Nagaraj. C 25, C 27A, and D. 25, okay, it's 23 C, 24 is A. Somebody, I think that he missed. 25 is C, 27 is A, correct? D and, yeah, D is correct. All right. So I think this is enough for today. We have a session scheduled for tomorrow as well. Try to join. If you are new, try to join the WhatsApp channel. You'll get to know the update of the session when it is coming. But I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay? And in that we'll cover everything. Excuse me. My voice is strained a little bit. Had to scream. All right. So I think, go ahead guys. joined. Okay, you already joined. Superb, Ravi. Superb, bacha. I hope you have exam day after tomorrow. In that, I really would love to help you. Nagaraj is always regular in our sessions. Ravi, I hope you will also be regularly joining our sessions for PCMB that we are doing on our channel. And I hope you also score very good marks in your midterms. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you all tomorrow who are watching this video later also. Tomorrow, when I say, I mean on 16th October. I mean 16th October. I'll see you all live for your midterm exam on 17th and 18th. We'll cover everything on that day. Okay? Yes. All right. So we'll have... You have a question? Like, I loved that some of you came and asked me your personal doubts. So if you have any, you can ask me. So where can I get computer science revision? Is there on our platform, bacha? Right now only you can see. Go ahead, open the Diksha Karnataka, open videos. It's been uploaded, I think, yesterday, right? Check. Harshil, once you open Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel, yeah. So once you open Diksha Karnataka channel, go to the videos. In that you will find the third video is your computer science revision, third session. Okay, third video in the YouTube Diksha Karnataka videos will be there. Yes, Ravi, we have delivered on CS as well. Yes. Another question, you have personal questions to ask about mathematics, chapter wise, topic wise, because I'm not going to do anything extra. But if you have something to ask, you can certainly do that. About maths though, nothing about chemistry, physics, bio or CS. That's my limit. Okay. And don't forget, if you're watching my video for the first time, subscribe the channel, because in midterms the planning was not done properly, because we don't have control on that. Different district had different schedule, but we have followed the south schedule so that we can deliver the classes on time, deliver the lights on time. Okay, but for the finals, for the pre-boards, it'll be one plan for everyone, so that's why we can deliver everything exactly on time, so that all of you can be benefited from that. Okay, so luckily I am bio, I have a day off tomorrow. Okay, so but you have CS, no? Hi Arnold, long time. But I think bio students have CS, right? I don't know. So please solve the questions. If you want to solve more and more problems, I have done so many in the midterm series, right? 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, like that. Go ahead and watch those. Okay, your optional is bio. Got it. PCMB, understood. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, I understood. I understood. I studied personally from CBSE, so for us, I think I didn't have bio. I had CS in my 12th. I did not choose, but CS was compulsory for us. Okay, when I was a student. Now I'm old. Okay, so but now things must have changed. Okay. And one more time, I want to remind all of you. We have put in a lot of efforts, lot of hard work in designing your KCET 90, KC 90 online crash course for COMEDK and KCET. If you want, go ahead, just link is given, check it out, see the schedule, see the way we have planned everything. You will actually love it, and it's designed to cater both examination beautifully. And once you learn from us, once you go through the extensive course, you can easily score top 1000 rank. Okay, it's your career, you have to take a decision. So go ahead, link is given in the chat also, explore the course, see the platform, how it is designed. Okay, if not everything, just do one thing. Right now download our app Diksha Vedantu from the Play Store. It's available. You don't have to pay to download the app. Just download the app and see how the courses are designed, and then later you can talk to your parents and take the course. Okay, bye Nagaraj. Rishi, love to hear that. Thank you so much. I'll be waiting for you to see in our live sessions. Record session will start from 1st. We also have the live scheduled. Okay, and if somebody is looking for offline, we also have offline version. As you all know, originally offline was planned, but since the comments was coming for online because they were from different districts, not possible to go to the offline classes, so we have planned the online. Okay, so more of you right now in the live, go ahead, link is there, check the session, check the link, and see what is KC90. It's a 90-day crash course for KCET and COMEDK. All right, can we download the app before the classes commence? You can download right now. Okay, you can download right now. The sessions will be live from 1st November. Like the recorded sessions will be uploaded in the platform from 1st November. You can download right away. Okay, all right. Yes, so let your friends also know, Rishi, if they are looking for a CET or COMEDK crash course, they can certainly join it and benefit from it as well. Okay, and you can help them. If they are having any queries, they can connect with us. We have given our contact number in the. You can go to the website. You can find the numbers. You can call on them. Any queries you have, any doubts you have, you can simply call. If your parents wants to know something about the course, they can also call and get to know. Okay. So I'm currently referring to JEE Made Easy channel from Vedantu. Okay. Yes. But that is a very different thing. Okay. This is just for KCET. This is just for KCET crash course. I'm telling you, KCET becomes a very good option, because no, colleges in Bangalore are very good, as good as some of the NITs. Okay, packages are as good as some of the IITs. So that's why it is worth opting for. Easier to face as well. And if you are from Karnataka, if you have an advantage to write KCET, why not write it? Okay, and not just writing because you know JEE, you can write it. The challenges are different in a CET. I hope you know that, Ravi, or by now. And we need to see where your preparation is. And you need to be realistic how it is going. If you're going very good in JEE, superb, continue with that. But just keep this as a backup. It's a very good backup to have, KCET and COMEDK. Okay? Yes. So any other questions? If there is any, I'll answer that. Otherwise, yes. So it's a big ask actually. I would never be able to do it in that time. Okay? Solving 60 questions in 60 minutes, and students score 150, 160 marks. So let's say solving 60 questions and people are scoring 120, 100 marks. Okay, everybody got 40 only, right, per subject, but they're scoring 150, 160 marks. It means it is doable, right? So we have to get ourselves in that rhythm, solving those questions, practicing KCET ready problems. It all becomes a part of the journey of CET. Okay. Yeah, JEE has its own challenge, of course. JEE is having a more syllabus. Every chapter has additional topics. The NCERT is a must, but you have to, in mathematics, you cannot just rely on NCERT in JEE. In chemistry, in physics, in chemistry and bio, you can rely on NCERT, but for maths, you cannot rely on just NCERT mathematics. Yeah. All right. So I think this is okay. The other question. See. All right. Okay guys, so no new questions. I'll see you tomorrow. I will upload that 70 plus video that you were asking, the fixed question video, which will help you all assist to get the maximum marks. I'll ask the team to upload it in the morning itself. Okay, bye. So bye everyone. Thanks for joining in. Similar to this, keep joining our lives, keep getting better and better every day with the sessions, and learn a new concept. Every time we'll come, I'm telling you one more thing. It's a promise. Every time any of our live comes, it'll add value to your preparation. That's a promise. We'll not do just anything, okay? Every time we are coming prepared and helping you, even a small bit, but there'll be a plus to your preparation. Okay? Chaliye. So with this, time to say bye. Good night. Go have your dinner. We'll meet again tomorrow in our evening live for complete revision of mathematics one last time before your PU2 midterms. And again, we'll have more live sessions for CET and everything. But before midterms, we'll have a final revision tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, bye Nagaraj. Take care.